Hi, this is Chantal from ThePurringCatStudio and welcome back to my channel. Today I have decided to create a new series which will be called Creative Shorts. And the reason for that is, yes, I can show you a whole page spread when I do my altered book journal or when I do my idea journal and when I just do journals in general. However, I decided to make these creative shorts to show you how I do one thing and one thing at a time. Whether it's to show you how I used Transfer Me from Dress My Craft like these, whether I show you how to use embossing powders or gel medium, or make a specific kind of pocket and fold and so on. I want to do very short videos on only one creative process. That way, my hopes is that it gives you maybe maybe an art lesson in something that you had no clue how to use because you're new to this, or it gives you some inspiration because you weren't sure of what you wanted to do today, and now that I've given you an idea, you're going to start creating this idea that I suggested. So today I want to show you how I made this. It's a window pocket and it's very easy, and as you can see, this is something very lovely to add in a journal. And so let's get to it. I hope you like it. Okay, so as usual, I will probably do voiceover if I need to, and I will also do it in fast forward video just because I do want this to remain a short. However, I will start by saying one thing before I start the whole pocket. I will be using this, right, because it's a frame punch board, but just so you know, you can use easily this, an X-Acto knife, a ruler, and your scissors. So what you would do is you would cut the size of the pocket that you want, right, on both papers that you choose. And then one of the papers, of course, you have to cut a frame. So decide on the thickness of the frame that you want, whether you want it to be just this thin or a lot thicker. Just draw yourself a square, and then you can use your ruler to cut the inside out. You can punch a hole in the middle with a pencil and then go in the middle with your scissors and then go find your lines. There's all kinds of ways, okay? So you don't have to have the frame punch board. I know you probably all know this, but I just want to repeat it because you never ever have to go ahead and purchase a bunch of things. Use what you have. It just might take a tiny bit longer. I'm not great with cutting straight lines. I don't know why. But, you know, that is my struggle. So I will use my frame punch board. Okay, so I will start the process, and I hope you enjoy. And if I find that I need to add something, I will jump in with voiceover, or I will write something at the bottom of the screen. So let's get to it. Hi, this is voiceover. So I forgot to mention that I was going to use for the pocket window or window pocket, just simple packaging that we all have when we purchase crafting items. And depending on how big you make your pocket window, you can use first of all, there's two sides of that packaging, so that's already 2 windows, but if you cut it in half, then that's 4. So it's very useful. I keep them, especially when they're super clear like that. Very, very useful. Also, I was using scraps of papers. Well, they were more like cardstock that I printed on and probably used in one of my other projects. So here I will put some double-sided tape to glue the plastic on my frame. But afterwards, I will only put the glue on 3 sides, leaving an open side for slipping the picture inside. The first time I did it, I actually made a mistake. I put glue on all 4 sides, and before I actually put it on the piece of paper on the backing, I realized, uh-oh, there's glue on all 4 sides. If that ever happens, don't worry. Just cut a piece of paper the size of the glue strip and put it where you didn't want it to be glued on. And there you go. It's an easy fix. You don't have to redo the whole thing. So the beauty of these window pockets is that they are beautiful whether you put a picture in them or not. So let's say you're making a journal for someone and you want to leave these pockets empty. It's perfect because they can put their own picture, but while there's no picture in it, as you can see, it's very pretty. So I will let you finish the video, and if you have not subscribed yet to my channel, I invite you to do so. It will bring me great joy to know that you are now a subscriber, and you will also be able to see the videos whenever they arrive on my channel. You can also click the bell, which will also let you know I made a new video for you to watch. You can also share the videos. If you have crafty friends that would like to know a little more about this beautiful world we're all in, please feel free to share my videos. So I will leave you with that. I hope you have a great day, and again, thank you for watching. Bye. Bye-bye.